Yeah, sorry, I slept in a little bit this morning. These geraniums are just begging to go outdoors. The barometer says 30.12. That means nice weather, right, Rex? Oh, yeah. Gorgeous day on Cape Cod. Tropical downpours, though, on the coast of Connecticut. It's already raining in New England as I speak. The late April showers did a great job with our May flowers. These are bridal wreath, blue sky, cirrus. The air, that crow is done, pointing toward the north. It's wrong. The air is coming from the south. And if we look off to the south and west, quite an impressive weather system or systems coming at us. Organized low with a strong front from the Midwest all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, and then a plume of moisture and thunderstorms with dew points in the 60s on the coast of Virginia. We have a clash of the air masses. Even though the last couple days have warmed up since the record cold, it's been pretty chilly southwest wind around here. And so what we're going to happen now, we're going to have cyclogenesis, low pressure forming on a subtropical front that's coming at New England from the south at the same time as this sort of almost polar front comes from the west, and another one from Canada tomorrow night. The three are not going to merge, but the two are going to merge with low pressure in western New England this evening and tropical downpours. They say that Taylor Swift loves playing in the rain. Well, it should be very interesting tonight. I mean, it's now almost to the point where we need a flood watch. Now, I know no one has issued that, but just a couple days ago, the NAM had just scattered showers coming in today with less than a quarter of an inch of rain. Now the NAM is printing out more than 4 inches of rain in central Rhode Island, and this is all happening in about 12 hours from, say, 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. or so, and then a little later than that on Cape Cod here. I think we are going to start to get wet this evening. We're going to do plenty of gardening, though, today before that happens, and then the heaviest rain is going to be tonight with a chance of a thunderstorm. So convective, wild stuff, and in the coast, we may have some wind gusts over 30, 40 miles per hour. A lot of wind up in the sky, not mixing down that much, though. Tomorrow turns into a nice day, and we're going to have a few scattered showers around first thing, and then partly sunny, temperature in the mid-70s. And then another front tomorrow night. That brings in some pretty chilly air. Here's Tuesday, high pressure coming in from southeastern Canada. Pretty chilly high. And then really interesting next week. Our front that goes offshore stalls over Florida, and we have more low pressure developing. And by Wednesday night, we have a front from Canada with rain and snow mixed in Maine on Wednesday night. This is a change on the Euro, and the Euro, which had that storm way out to sea, now makes it landfall in southeastern Canada next weekend. Odds are really low for a nice weekend next weekend. Confidence is very low, let's put it that way. I know I've already seen some of our friends with the 10-day forecasts showing temperatures in the 70s to near 80, and the Euro eventually wants to get there next Monday, but the GFS says forget about it with an onshore flow. GFS says temperatures only in the 50s in Boston next weekend, so there's going to be a lot to watch. Today is a now-casting day, and look at that, just sun and cirrus, not too much smoke in the sky. I'll make this brief today. It is what it is. It's going to rain, and then I'll leave you with some highlights from sightseeing around Cape Cod yesterday. Lewis Bay to Bass River, and the Carolina wren singing for us. It seems like we always have a Carolina wren in Massachusetts. I wonder how my baby birds are doing. Oh, I forgot to mention about the sort of short-term drought we're in. So this grass is green. Irrigation has been turned on. Come through to my house, irrigation not turned on. This grass is burning out already. It's sad to see grass burning out so early in the season in my backyard. And then across the street, they have the irrigation. Oh, it just came on right now. So hopefully we'll get some 1.4 inches of rain here on Cape Cod. Hoping for that. And also, where'd those grass clippings come from? Thank you, Peter Hecking, for contributing. Hey, Rex, good to see you back. Sold out, Bass Ferry, Highline, Hyannis to Nantucket. Everyone's got their rain jacket, right? Could turn into a real wine festival. Wow. Pretty boat, huh? Rex, where are you going? This way. Come on, get up here. Go for a boardwalk. Well, cement walk. By the fishing boats in Lewis Bay. Waving bye-bye to Mommy. Yeah, there goes Mommy. Brought a warm jacket. Pretty darn cold outside. Wind out of the southwest. It's great in September, but in May the water temperature getting close to 60. Not quite there yet. Noontime. New moon today. Here on the Yarmouth side of the Bass River. Don't let those things fool you. It is breezy. From the southwest. The thing about midday on a new moon is high tide. And it's an extra high tide, marsh flooding high tide, we call it. At midnight, it's going to be even higher. So at midnight, right up to those skiffs right there. A lot of times the nighttime tide is higher. Not sure why, but that's the case this month too with the new moon. Strawberry moon, it's called. How are your strawberries doing? There's Dennis right there. Let's go to Dennis. No matter how much you compost, somebody else is doing it bigger. Blueberries, every level of compost and worms here. Can't tell you where we are. I can just tell you it's very fertile. No, you just keep your beak out of there. Taking it to another level this year, huh? Look at that. Easy little bees. No, no, no. Come on, Rex. Come on. Just got in the house. 64 outside, 58 inside. Am I allowed to turn the heat on? I don't think it's going to get any warmer this weekend. Maybe Sunday. Warm chow, delivery. PJH. Worms are going to love this. Look at that. Fresh food. Yep, I'm a little nutty. Jump, jump. Close enough. Hey man, how much for the grass? Backyard deal. Yep. Get the crumbs. He rebuilt the bed of this truck. He welded all that iron on the sides and everything. Kind of crazy. That's Peter, the same guy that helped me build the front there. So that's the cleanest grass ever.
Yeah, I know.
Worm's gonna love that.
Might have been the one we did.